We all slept like 9 hours. We went to bed at like 12:30. This weather's perfect though. That's for sure. Brian got a new camping chair.
It's my iron throne. All right, survey the peasants.
This campsite kind of feels like the first time we went to Shenandoah because we were at that one for so long. This seems like my home now, but it's firmly in the afternoon and we're gonna get started here. Okay, we're gonna do our first ever forest drone shot. It is legal in the National Forest. Please don't leave angry comments. This is perfectly allowed. Check out this area. I'm actually kind of hungry. You guys hungry? I feel like we spent so long there, it's like lunchtime now. Perfect weather, perfect environment. This is good times.
Down here, this sort of waxy looking plant is wintergreen. Yeah, you can sort of smell it.
Oh my goodness. It smells like Eclipse gum when that first came out. I remember eating it. It smelled just like this.
Wait, oh my god, that smells great. Is that actually still in the mint family?
No, actually, I don't think so. I'm not sure if it's in the mint family.
We're gonna have to look that up.
Wintergreen is my favorite flavor.
It actually reminds me of my childhood.
Yeah.
This is a super peaceful forest. If you need to have some time to yourself to think, this is the place to do it. And I feel like we have to be coming close to the water now, right?
My stomach sure is. For dinner.
Squirrel. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Top 10 most beautiful campsites we've ever been to. And by top 10, I mean the most beautiful campsite we've ever been to.
Yeah, we don't need to sit here though.
This is one of the best campsites we've ever had, by far. Would you agree?
Yes, definitely. I haven't been on near as many trips as you guys, but this has definitely been the best trip of mine. And this campsite is
This campsite is
amazing.
ridiculously good. Like, we can only go downhill from here. So,
no, that's true.
like tomorrow, I don't know how we could top this campsite. Oh my God, this is gonna be so good.
You filming?
I'm vlogging at the moment. I think the hobo dinners are done, and this is gonna be glorious. Wait, don't take this like that. I gotta film with the other camera. It's gonna be good.
It's gonna be real good.
Whatever you're
I didn't
into,
even
Brian.
realize it until you repeated it.
Whatever you're into.
In a sense, it makes sense.